Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to vlog number 55. As you guys can see, we're back at the table with our pegboard. As you guys remember, a few days ago we had a lesson at the Makerspace, and this time we're having a different topic, which is the automated sprinkler for plants. And now we're just scoring the pegboard and cutting it down to size that we need. And if you haven't seen the previous ones, go to the link in the description. Now we're gonna finish up with the cutting process, and then we'll show you the video of us making a soldering video tutorial for the students. Hey guys, so we're back, and as you guys can see, we have everything ready. Our pegboard that's pre-cut to our needed size, some sticky tack to make sure the things don't move around, our receptacles, our capacitors, our resistance, and also our 3.3 volt regulators, and of course not to forget our soldering flux just in case we need it, and of course our solder and our soldering tin or soldering wire, as you guys might know it as. So this is, as I said, for the next class in the Makerspace, which is our self-watering system that is connected to the Internet of Things, which will be using various different modules. This is only part of it. This is only the tutorial video that we're going to record for the students in case they don't understand, because we had some students that didn't really quite understand how they needed to solder their components last time. So we're going to do a tutorial video to make sure that that doesn't happen this time. Hey guys, so we finally finished our whole board, our pegboard, and this is how it looks like. We have all of our components on there. Make sure it looks just fine. And this part is for the Arduino Pro Mini to go in there. It's gonna fit inside of the receptacles, and then there's gonna be the Wi-Fi chip right here. So if you want to see how it actually works with all of the other components, then you're gonna have to wait until the day of the class, and I will show you guys how it works along with the sprinkler for the plant itself. But that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.